So what is it that everybody needs to have if you own an e-bike? And that is an e-bike repair kit. I can't tell you how many times I've been out on the road and I've had a bolt come loose, the handlebars get loose, some of the gauges go loose. I've even had it where a couple of our clients have had tires that have nearly fallen off because things get loose. You get bumping around on those trails or even on the roads that are uneven. Sometimes you can really loosen up a lot of those bolts, and those nuts and bolts get loose. What do you do when you're out there? You can't. You pretty much have to carry it. And this bike right here is about 42 pounds. I have some e-bikes over 100 pounds. Could you imagine a tire popping off this thing and having to carry it? Guys, bring one of these with you. Now this one right here is a ratcheting tool, really small, and I actually add an extender. That's optional, but you can literally ratchet it right together. It's really small. You can throw it in your pocket. You can stick it in a little tool bag, and I'll show you a bag here in a second. But the purpose of this is basically to tighten any nut and bolt. And the cool thing about it is every e-bike has different bolts, different sizes. Like up here, you've got a different size from over here, and there's Phillips, there's flatheads. This little guy right here has everything in it, guys. So if you open up the bottom and go ahead and release it, you can see all of the different tools that are in there, guys. Everything, flatheads, Phillips, hex keys, it has it all, and it's all hidden magnetically in the base of this little tool, which is pretty neat. And like I mentioned, it's ratcheting. So what does that mean if you don't know? Basically all that means is that you don't have to rotate it all the way around. You just rotate and it locks back, and you can undo it by flipping the handle, and now it goes the other way. It only goes one way, which is really nice because you can just really quickly tighten those bolts. Every e-bike for the most part nowadays comes unbuilt. So what do they give you? Well, they give you a whole bunch of these little guys. Now this is the most annoying thing, to try to get in here and get over there and twist it. Your wrists, your hands start cramping up. A little ratcheting tool, like, I mean, this, forget it. Ratcheting tool is what you need, and you just literally ratchet it right in. Super quick, super easy. It's what I use at all times, and it has saved me out on the trails, not having to carry my bike back because a pedal fell off or handlebars got loose and we're starting to fall off. I mean, believe it or not, people use these e-bikes and put them through a lot. This is a fat tire e-bike, so this is meant to go off-road. Go off-road, have some fun with it. Bring one of these, it'll be so much safer. Now, most e-bikes nowadays come with these back racks, so you can get little bags. Let me show you that bag really quick. So here you go, it's just a little bag, and it has these little Velcro straps, so you just strap it to the back of that. You can stick things like that in your bag. You can put other things in there as well. Some other things that I recommend bringing, maybe a little miniature bicycle pump. I always have a little one just in case the tires get a little low. I haven't had to use that out on the trails, but it's always good to have because you just never know. Also a tire puncture kit. I'll put links to the ones I bring in the description section of the video. But that's really it. That's all you're gonna need. A little tool kit like a hex kit. Ratcheting is the way to go, in my opinion, no doubt about it. And then you've got just like a tire repair kit, just so you can get home. Just something to get you home when you're out there on the trails, something happens. Kind of like an emergency kit. I think everybody should have one if you have an e-bike. If you guys have any questions, comment down below. Head over to our description section of the video by clicking the title of the video. It's right below. It'll pop right up and you can see everything that we recommend. All kinds of stuff. This one here is the High Peak foldable e-bike. I have a full review on this if you want to see the review on this e-bike. It's a fantastic e-bike. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks everybody. Bye.